Hi everybody, Karl at Escape Trailer here. Remember, we build for you by offering more personalization and customization than any other travel trailer manufacturer in North America. We are direct to consumer. You won't find us at any dealerships. You deal direct with us on building your trailer for you. Our goal is education. We're all about educating you so that you can make the decision on whether you want to buy an Escape trailer or not. Now, we have 4 ways to do that, but before I get going on this, we will pop some QR codes up here on the screen as we're going along. These QR codes are things that you can scan, and they'll take you to the right locations in our website. We also have links in the description below for anyone who's on a cell phone right now. Okay, so 4 ways to chart your course and to get the best education on your Escape. First one, of course, is videos and our 360-degree interior interactive layouts on the website. We'll start with the videos. I think the videos are probably one of the most important starting points for anybody when they come to Escape Trailer. The videos will give you a good tour of the exterior, the interior, and we also have a few videos that go through what all the standard features are in an Escape. Remember, the base price for an Escape includes all the standard features, and then you get to go on the options and the upgrade path based on what you want to have in your trailer, because we build for you. We have the standard features videos, and the standard features video goes through all the standard features in the Escape. It's a really good video series. Then we also have an options video, and the options video will sort of the upgrade path, right? So it'll take the standard features and say, here's the optional upgrade that you can have to all these standard features. And there, of course, are a few options there that don't have standards applied to them. So standard features that you upgrade from, they're simply an option that goes in place. So you might find that really enjoyable to go through that series of videos that we have. That's certainly a great starting point. After that, we also have these 360-degree interior layouts, interactive layouts, and these are sort of digital renderings of the trailer, and you can go in and sort of position yourself within the trailer and just get a sense of what everything looks like. And they're based off real photos, so you are seeing the real thing. It's not a model of some sort that's completely digital. That's the first one. Secondly, we have our one-on-one personal video tours, and these are the most popular and possibly the most valuable for you. One-on-one personal video tour is just you with one of our configuration specialists or salespeople like Harrison. Remember, we're not on commission, so there's no benefit to them trying to sell you on anything. Their whole goal is just to educate you and give you the best experience possible. So the one-on-one personal video tour will be a Zoom tour or a FaceTime tour, and it's your time to go through the trailer. Best if you've done it after you've listened to the videos or watched the videos, because then you can be very clear about the questions you want to have answered. Right. So the one-on-one personal video tour is an excellent way to get to know both Escape and the Escape trailer. Thirdly, we have our ambassadors. And our ambassadors are great. They're, in a way, the lifeblood of Escape. They are existing customers who willingly give their time to give you their objective experience of Escape. Both their trailer, their purchasing process, how they configured it, and the experience they've had with us. So this could help you in, determining, are we the type of people that you want to work with when you're buying or configuring, building your trailer just for you. Finally, we have our showroom. Now, our showroom is located in Chilliwack, British Columbia, so it's about 100 kilometers east of Vancouver. Not everyone can get here. Maybe it's a bit of a journey for a lot of people, but we are open and we welcome everybody to come. But we do need to say the showroom is by appointment only, and it's Monday to Friday, mornings only. Okay. Then we have a few people and we have a few different appointments available, but not to be disappointed. It is way better that you book in advance so we know you're coming and we can give you the best experience possible when you come to our showroom. So everybody, those are the 4 ways to chart your Escape. I'll go through them once again. We have the videos and the interactive layouts. That's the first one. Second, we have the one-on-one personal video tour, probably the best way to get to know the Escape. 3, we have the ambassadors. I mean, if you're living far away from Escape and you want to actually physically see one, we can put you in touch with somebody. You can physically go and see and touch the trailer. And finally, we have our showroom appointment where you can come in and meet with one of our configuration specialists, and they will also answer all your questions. Okay, I think that's about it. Thank you, everybody. We're Escape Trailer, and we're built for you.